So, we have to save Gwen, don't we?
Yeah, she's gotta be around here somewhere. Don't worry, we'll find her, even though she's your girlfriend, not mine. Yet I'm still not. She's still not my girlfriend, but I still don't know whose Gwen is. Nobody asked you. Also, in my world, I kind of saved her life, but I broke up with her after I realized I'm breaking Mary Jane's heart.
Yeah, enough with the MJs. I have tattoos on my arm, if you feel like to see it.
Really, Venom? Really? You know, all these things are coming back to me. What do you mean? I know what happened to Iron Man. He's dead. And also Captain America, he's retired.
Excuse me? I just ate a chocolate bar of tater tots. What are you talking about?
He's saying that he lost 2 leaders. And I lost the Black Widow. They're gone. Both gone. Gee, I'm sorry to hear that. So what are you going to do now? I think I should go on vacation. I mean, are you going to be the new leader of the team? Because you still have Hulk, Thor, Black Panther, Doctor Strange, and Captain Marvel left to be on your side, especially Hawkeye. Yeah, I don't think I'm ready to be team leader. Well, now is your chance. And it starts by taking out the bad guys. That means you have to lead the team. I would do it myself, but I'm going to let you slide for a bit.
Oh, you're gonna slide.
I think I found Gwen. Where is she? I just got one question. Have you ever seen that old movie Aladdin, even though the new one will come out next week? Kind of. Why? I know where Gwen is. Marco has him. Has her, sorry. So how long do I have to just pee on her all day? At least I have a new recruit. Hellfire, like the theme song.
Call me Molten Man. I'm part of the elements from another reality.
Yeah, I know that. Shocker, Venom, don't let them in their sights. Don't worry, boss. If I find the other black one, I'll shock him with this.
And be careful. I don't like the noises. It hurts. And Flint, don't let her out of your sight. So we can play sandcastles with little Gwen.
Why am I doing this? Have you seen that old movie Aladdin? You'll be the hourglass, and as soon as she suffocates, her time's up. And what about me? What do I do? You'll be your snake's form, since you got a tongue.
A snake I am. We'll see how I can be.
Sure. It's gonna be so wild.
Hey, what was that? Oh, sorry, it's my girlfriend. Well, hang up, you idiot. You're gonna give away our positions.
Sure.
I don't like teaming up with lava people. Don't worry. Hellfire's going to do the job.
Call me Molten Man. I like it. Sure. Where I smell an intruder. Whoa.
Whoa, what is that, a symbiote? No, but I know this creep. I called him Molten Man, I think.
You! I don't remember recalling you, but it's gonna take 3 months or 2 to restore it. Back where it belongs.
Just hand over Gwen and nobody gets hurt, you. Lava Man? Lava Man or nothing, he looks like Taka from Moana. I know it anywhere.
Wait, did you say lava?
That's right.
Oops, ow! Ah, hot. Ow!
Hey, what's wrong with him? He doesn't like the fire.
Fire hurts bad.
Oh, come on, don't be Frankenstein already. It hurts like real lava. We gotta do something. Miles, you save Gwen. I'll deal with this joker over here. How do I say it? Hey, fireman, come and get me.
That's it. You're going down. Yeah.
I'm gonna take you down, boxing glove. We'll see about that, bug man. Oh, really? Gwen, hang on. I'll save you.
No, you don't. You think you can defeat the most powerful symbiote of the galaxy? Yes. Besides, without the other me, you're nothing. He almost suffocated me to death.
Well, you're out of the glass, princess, because you're off the hook.
I don't think so. Why are you afraid of a little fire?
He's got burning stuff you never seen.
I'm gonna burn you alive. I don't think so, Lava Man.
Yes, we'll see about that. Yes, yes, yes.
Get away from him. Wait, that's it. The noise. Eddie, get as far away as you can. We're gonna have to stop him somehow.
You underestimated me for the last time.
Oh, really? How about this?
Oops.
My wing's on fire. Venom, get as far away as you can.
Why?
We're gonna make some noises.
Out of who?
Too late. I'm gonna do it. On you. I don't think so. Guess what to do it? Electric style. Get off me, girl.
He's got noises.
Are you alright?
I think so. You are going to pay.
Get in there. That takes care of them. Not yet, Miles. Let's put these guys into custody. We'll handle them off later. Gwen, are you alright?
I'm fine, Miles. Just pretty fine.
Whoa, you guys look at the size of that creep? Venom, are you okay?
Noise. Fire. It's too much. Frequencies.
What's wrong with him? It's every time when he sees fire or gets hearing by noises, he gets crazy. I know that.
It's so powerful. I couldn't see it.
How are we gonna deal with Molten Man? I never seen him before. Me neither, but all I remember was before him, I met Mysterio. I think he's one of the good guys from another dimension. Wait, another dimension? Yeah, I've been recruited by Nick Fury. Let me guess, he's gonna make you the new leader after you solve this whole Molten Man case.
This guy is gonna burn so badly.
So how do we stop this guy anyway? We both know
Sandman's weakness is water. More than his weakness right here is fire and noises. And what about Molten Man? I think his weakness is still going to be water. Yeah. So I think we should do this some other time. Well, you better have some web shooters that has water, because if not, then we're toast by him.
Whatever happened to this guy? You didn't tell me that it was a creature.
Well, don't worry. We'll have more. And soon, we'll be ready. And this time, I still want to know if Mysterio is a bad guy or a good guy. Because if he's bad, he's on my team of annihilation.
Oh, I remember that. It's gonna take 2 months to recover my memory.